In today's video, I'll guide you through a simple tutorial on how to add music to your Messenger notes. This is a fantastic way to make your notes more creative and personal, whether you want to share your current mood or highlight your favorite song. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Once you've launched the app, tap the Drop a Thought icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will bring up the option to create a new note. Here you'll notice a music icon. Tap on it to access a selection of songs. You can browse or search for a track that matches your vibe. Once you've found the perfect song, tap on it to preview and adjust its duration to suit your note. After editing the music, hit Done. At this stage, you can add a text note to accompany your music if you want to share a thought or feeling. Type in your message and review everything to make sure you're satisfied. When you're ready, tap the Share button in the top right corner, and that's it. Your note, now enhanced with music, will be visible to your friends, and they can listen to the track and respond to your note. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Have a wonderful day.